Hello friends, in last video we generated this next and previous button and we display this all the questions with option. Now in this video I am going to show you when you click on this on that time how we can save this selected data inside our session. So now I am going to show you that. So first of all we are going to open this dashboard.php. Then we need to open this load questions.php, and here you can see we have this you can see we have this radio button. So in this radio button we are going to call one function, and then after we are going to create that function. So here I am going to generate on click event, and here I am going to make one function named radio click. Here we are going to pass two value. One is this dot value, it means your selected value, and here we are going to pass question number. So for that question number, so now we need to copy this and we need to paste in this radio button, in this radio button, and inside this radio button. And now we are going to create this function over here. So I am going to create this function here. Now here we need to take two parameter. One is radio value and second one I am going to take question number, which we already passed from here. Now here we need to write simple Ajax code. So just I can copy this code, just paste here. Here we don't need any response, and now here we need to pass our page name, which we are going to create save answer in session.php. Here we are going to pass question number is equal to plus just question number, and value 1 is equal to then plus radio value. That's fine. Now we are going to create this page. So I am going to copy this page name, and now here we are going to write code. So first of all PHP, then here I am going to start session, and now here dollar question number is equal to underscore get question number. We are going to take here question number, and then dollar value 1 is equal to dollar underscore get value 1. Now we are going to set that is session answer, and then here dollar question number is equal to dollar value 1. Here we don't need double quotes. Oh, what is the problem? Here it is the problem. So I am going to open these load questions, and we need to check where is the problem. Here it got checked. It is the first option. This is the first option. So here Yeah, this is fine. So just remove. I'm going to do Control Z. You can see we have here this greater than sign. So remove this greater than sign from there and just paste here. Same thing here also. Here we need to give greater than sign. Here we need to delete. Here also greater than sign, and here we need to delete. Oh, here is the option for, yeah, this is for 4. So here, and we need to delete from here. Yeah, that's fine. So now we can see if we are going to select anyone and going back, we can see that selected. Yesterday I told you that. I will explain it later on. You can see this code was for this selected. When you select any option and you come previous, you can see that selected value. That's why we use this. So you can see now you are selecting this, and this is stored in already in session. So in next video I am going to show you how you can make result of this. So using this session we are going to generate our result. That I am going to show you in next video how you can generate result. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.